ये वाला आंसर आपको तैयार है। इट इज द फेशियल नर्व विच इज बाइंडिंग अराउंड द वाइवा में आता है। फॉर श्योर ये आएगा, फॉर श्योर स्पॉटिंग का क्वेश्चन बनता है। दिस इज योर फ्लोर ऑफ फोर्थ वेंट्रिकल। दिस शेप rhomboid shape or we can say diamond shape है, formed by pons and upper part of medulla. Both areas are divided by horizontally placed fibers called as stria medullaris. So this is your stria medullaris. Okay, these are the fibers which divides the fourth ventricle into two parts, upper part and the lower part. This is your median sulcus right in the midline, which divides the whole ventricle into two halves. So normally it is in rhomboid shape. इसको divide कर दो triangular spaces में divide, ठीक है। This is what median sulcus. This is median sulcus. What is this? Median sulcus. Lateral to that, this one is sulcus limitans. Sulcus limitans. Whole area is now divided into two parts. This area is बोलो median eminence and this area is vestibular area. The most important part, most important structure on the median eminence is facial colliculus. So the swellings, these are the two swellings over the median eminence. They are called as facial colliculus, formed by formed by नाम facial colliculus है, but it is not by the facial nuclei. It is because of facial nerve binding around the abducent nuclei. ये वाला आंसर आपको तैयार रखना है। It is the facial nerve which is binding around the abducent nuclei that forms facial colliculus. Very important. वाइवा में आता है। फॉर श्योर ये आएगा, फॉर श्योर स्पॉटिंग का क्वेश्चन बनता है। तो sulcus, this is sulcus limitans. This is the superior depression called superior fovea, and this is your inferior depression called inferior fovea. Blue area which forms the locus ceruleus, which has non-adrenergic neurons. Lower part of fourth ventricle formed by the upper part of medulla. Midline, I can see the midline, ठीक है। Stria medullaris, ठीक है। This is your inferior fovea. From the inferior fovea up to obex, this is the sulcus which divides this area into two parts, hypoglossal triangle and vagal triangle. Below the vagal triangle, these fibers are called as funiculus separations, which separates the vagal triangle from the area proxima. Obex, superior to that area proxima, vagal triangle, hypoglossal triangle, median sulcus.